Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to do a quick product review. Well, an unboxing. I'll add to this and it'll become a review, hopefully. These are reusable food storage bags. I kind of went on in the past that I was trying to get off the disposable plastic Ziplock stuff, and I use a lot of them. And I was like, alright, I'm going to stop doing that, and I'm going to just use bowls because, you know, I'll put hamburger meat or whatever into a Ziploc bag, and also use that as my mixing bowl, and then I'm good. And I thought, well, I don't want to do that. Well, being in a really small van, you know, Class B van, the big thing is storage inside my refrigerator and my cooler when I use the cooler. So, you know, our food all comes packaged in great big packages, and it just eats up too much of your space. So I got these reusable food storage bags, and I figured this would give me the best of both worlds because I could take the meat and stuff like that out of the large packaging and then still have a bag to put them in, and I can put them in my freezer or in my cooler and save that space, and then also not be throwing tons of Ziploc plastic bags away. So I guess the main thing is going to come down to is how well will these wash, you know? So we will see. I got these off of Amazon because, you know, Amazon sells a lot of stuff. And if you look at a video review I do of any product and you go, I'd like to buy that. Well, if I told you I bought it off of Amazon, go to Amazon, see what it's called, and you can buy it. I don't need to give you links. I don't need you to give me money. I don't need any of that stuff. So I don't need to do that. And here we go. So I'm going to load this up with some stuff, and on my next trip, which probably isn't going to be too far away, we'll go ahead and see how these work, see if I'm happy with them. But until then, oh, I got a bunch. I'm going to obviously wash them before I use them. But this particular one, I don't even remember what company it's called. I don't know. If I figure it out, I'll put it in there. But you get 2 gallon bags, 6 large bags, and 4 small bags. That's what you get right there. And I think for my use in the Class B, I think that will work. We'll just see. My one guess going into it, since I'm going to keep talking apparently, because I often, you know, if I'm making hamburgers, I will have the hamburger meat in this, and then I will add whatever seasonings I want to, and it's usually sriracha. I'm sure it's going to stain these bags, and I'm okay with that as long as it is not like giving me any bacteria and junk like that. So we shall see. We should see how this turns out. And as I said, my next camping video, I will have used these, and I'll tell you a little bit more about them. Oh, I want to make a correction. This is by a brand name on here is Zesty, I guess. Z-E-S-S-T-I. Zesty. All right, you've been updated. All right, YouTubers, I'm adding this to the product review. These are those Zesty silicone Ziploc type bags that are reusable and washable. It's got 2 pork chops in there, center cut kind of jobs. And so far, I've been really happy. I've had a lot of things in them. I froze them, thawed them, washed them out. The smell goes away, and I think these are really going to work for me personally. Because I like Ziploc bags, but I do get tired of throwing all the plastic away. And these were not too expensive. Some of them I think you can microwave, but this brand you cannot. So if you're looking for some of these, because maybe you're like me and you're tired of the Ziploc bag thing, do some research. Amazon's got tons of them. You can find ones that might work for you. I give this Zesty a thumbs up. I highly recommend this and similar brands. Again, I can't tell you which one to buy, but this one's pretty good. Happy with it. All right, have a great and wonderful day. It's cooking time. Center cut pork chops, pork loins, whatever the hell you call them. This is, I believe it might be from Aldi's. Big and Bold barbecue rub, peppery spice with salt. I smelled it. I thought it smelled pretty good. It's got what it's got in it. I'm going to coat these with that and put it on that grill. So they're on there. They're going. I like these, so I make them a lot. I did the first flip. I'm a flipper. I flip too often, but It works for me. Oh, we're getting there. Try to see if we can give some grill marks in another pattern. Woohoo! That seasoning smells good. All right, it's getting there. All right, and some mac and cheese. All right, with the pork chops, gonna be this Aldi's smoked Gouda macaroni and cheese and Aldi's pesto macaroni and cheese, all cooked together. So we'll mix them up. Different taste in every bite, I guess. Should be good. And baked apples, and there's gonna be broccoli too. Yay. I know we all grew up on that Kraft stuff, but this is better. Imported from Italy. Now Italians in Italy probably say this is terrible, but for us, it'll be awesome compared to what we get. Oh, is it good for you? No, it's not good for you. And I'm sneaking in a tiny bit of a sunset for you. That is bright today. And I'll tell you, it's easier being here in the summer than in the fall, even though the weather's beautiful. It's in the 70s today, but the sun sets a lot earlier. Makes you have to rush to run around and do stuff and then eat and then make it to the sunset. That's a beautiful one. Overall, I think a good meal came together quick and easy, and that's the best RV meals, quick and easy. All right, flyover. There's the mac and cheese, the pork chop, baked apples, and the trees, broccoli. It's time to taste stuff. See how the two different kinds of mac and cheese came out. Good. Baked apple, because I guess it goes back to Brady Bunch, right? Apples go with pork chops. Broccoli, lemon juice, the cheatin' lemon juice out of this little fake looking plastic lemon. Taste the broccoli. Broccoli is always great. I'm gonna cut up that pork chop. And there's the grilled pork chop. I like that seasoning. I'll use that again. All right, when you go out camping, RVing, whatever you want to call it, see some cool stuff, get lost if you can, and have a great and wonderful day. I missed most of it. Great and wonderful day.